Hello everyone, Shahir this side. So in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the ways through which you can actually access the online paid courses for free. So if you're someone who cannot afford these online paid courses, today in this video, I'll be sharing with you some of the ways through which you can get access to the online paid courses for free. Firstly, if you want to get access to the Udemy paid courses, you can check out a website called as discudemy.com. So basically this website gives you the coupon codes to apply for the Udemy platform so that it makes the course available for free for you guys. Simply go to the website and click on the course you want to complete and it will redirect you to the Udemy platform, making you the course available for free. It's a genuine and ethical way through which you can get access to the online paid courses of the Udemy platforms alone. Secondly, you can join a Telegram group called as e-learning platform, in which you will get the links of different online paid courses for free. Simply click on that link and it will redirect you to a website. You can complete that course in that website itself and earn certifications as well. So this is one of the easiest way through which you can get access to the online paid courses. The link to that channel is given down there in the description, so do check that out. Thirdly, if you want to get access to the Coursera platform, you can do two different things. Either you can audit the course or you can apply for financial aid. Auditing the course in the sense you will be able to go through each and every concept that is discussed inside that course, but you will not get the certification. If you want to earn the certification, you will have to pay a certain amount of money to the Coursera platform. So that's how auditing the course works. If you're just oriented in skill development, then I suggest you to audit the course and learn all the contents that is discussed inside the course. Secondly, you can apply for financial aid. It's like writing a request letter or mail to the Coursera platform itself, telling them, hey, I'm interested in your course, but I'm not able to buy this course because my financial condition is not that good. So please provide me this course. Most of the time what happens is Coursera platform approves your letter and gives you the access to that course for free. So you can complete the course and earn certifications in the financial aid only. So if you're auditing the course, you'll have to pay a certain amount of money to the Coursera to just get the certificate. Financial aid, the entire course and the certificates will be available for free. So to recap, for the Udemy platform, you can check out discudemy.com, through which you'll get the coupon codes for different courses and apply it and get access to those courses. Secondly, you can join a Telegram channel. Thirdly, if you want to get access to the Coursera platforms, you can do two different things. Either you can audit the course or apply for financial aid. So that's it for today. If you really felt that this video was informative, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned for next video.